Today we are going to discuss about lasso tools in Photoshop. Okay, for that one, bring toolbar here. If you could see here, lasso tool, right? Shortcut of this lasso tool is L. Lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. Okay, let's see one by one. For this one, I have taken one example. Okay, so here, what is the purpose of lasso tool is to remove a background and to make this image with a transparency background. We have another options also like this. This is a magic eraser tool. We can remove the background in one click. We can remove the background in one click. Okay, but by this we are using, if you could see here, see, you are using this part, which is, this is also mixing with the background color. So at this moment, lasso tool will help us a lot. Okay, now click the lasso tool. So what we can do with this one, just select any point. I'm starting from here. Okay, lasso tool is a freehand tool. We need to select carefully. We need to select the area. Okay, now cover this one also. Okay, now join here where we started. Okay, now it is selected. See here, we are getting this one also where we lost earlier. So now do Control C, copy the selected area, and Control V. See here, a new layer come up. Now by clicking Alt, drag this one into next window. Okay, if we place here beautifully, now to resize it, use Ctrl T. Okay, transform. Is this okay? So now you could able to see the complete image. Understood? Now we are not using any specified part from the image. So this is the purpose of lasso tool. Okay, at the same moment we have another tool, that's a polygon lasso tool. We will check that one also. What is the purpose of polygon lasso tool? Polygon lasso tool is also used for selection, but this is not a freehand. I mean, it will give like a straight lines. We need to select image whatever we want, but specifically this tool is used for straight objects, linear objects. Okay, can you able to see here? It is giving only straight lines. Is giving only straight lines. Only straight line. Do carefully. Need to select the each and every tip of the image. See, by using this also we can select the specified area. Join where we started. Okay, now the area is selected. Now if you want any area to add here, just add here. Okay, or wait, Control Alt Z. Select Lasso Tool. If you want add this area, just add it. I have selected the option which we can add to selection. Whatever the selected area is there, where for that one we can add. Okay, at the same time we can subtract also. Okay, for selection. Okay, the purpose is same. We can use the Polygon Lasso Tool or Lasso Tool. Purpose is a selection. Okay, is that fine? Now Control C, Control V. Okay, by using Alt, drag this image into, you can see sharp edges. Okay, same, you can drag it here, you can put it here. Control T to resize the object. Okay, now we will see the last one, that is magnetic lasso tool. Okay, magnetic lasso tool means in the name itself it is telling, if you select the area and magnetically it will select according to the object. Okay, just drag it, no need to select it. Okay, wherever you want, however you want, simple. This will useful us a lot. Why? Because no need to worry, just I am bringing, just I am dragging, automatically it is giving a path to me. Okay, automatically path. This is very comfortable to me compared to other tools, Lasso tool and Polygon Lasso tool. I am very comfortable with this one. It is giving me accurate. If you want to add anything to this selection, also we can use same options. Okay, just select where we started. Okay, now select this one, select add to selection. Now here the fingertips, see here fingertips, wherever you want in bit spaces you can add, wherever you feel it is missing you can add. Okay, now same thing, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, phasing out, drag it. See here, compared to others it have given us a sharp edges to us. I will show you the difference. Okay, Ctrl T, resize it, Ctrl transform. Okay, thanks for watching.